Hi, my name is Sean Pollard. I work at Veurink's RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan, where we've been family owned and operated for 65 years. Today, I'm going to show you your brand new trailer. This is a 2020 Sportsmen Classic 181BH by KZ. At 18 foot and just over 3,000 pounds, this is a minivan or small SUV towable camper that can sleep up to 6. Let's take a look. The Galley features ample storage. We've got overhead cabinets, which is a perfect spot for your plates, bowls, cups, and things like that. And we also have several cabinets underneath the countertop as well. So you've got plenty of space to take food items, dishes, things like that. We also have a lot of countertop space here. This is a perfect spot with an accommodating wall outlet to put a crock pot or a coffee maker, which is really nice. And we feature a really deep circular bowl style stainless steel sink. So this is actually a good enough spot where you can fill a tall pitcher, you can fill your coffee pot, or wash any dishes that you make. We do also have a 2-burner propane powered cooktop and a microwave, so plenty of stuff for all of your cooking needs. We do feature a large 4-person dinette in the slide out. You can actually sit 4 adults on here for games or meals. This dinette does drop down into a bed for additional sleeping, and we have a large window looking at the off-door side that opens as well, so you can get a nice view or get cross ventilation here into the camper. The bedroom does feature a good-sized bed for an 18-foot camper. We've got a wall outlet on the off-door side and USB chargers here on the door side, so plenty of places to plug in your electronics. The overhead cabinetry features large, elegant pull handles, and this gives you a great place to store additional games, foodstuffs, or I would use it personally for clothes. It's a great spot to put your clothes when you go camping. We do also have operating windows on either side of the bed for cross breeze, and a window that you can open or close from the outside to give you a view here in the front of the camper. Underneath the bed, there's a huge amount of storage. You can actually access this pass-through storage from the exterior of the camper, or if you put something down there you want to get while you're inside, just lift the bed, and there you go. Remember, we said this could sleep 6. You've got 2 on the bed, 2 on the dinette, and you can put 1 on each of the twin bunks. What's nice about these bunks is they do come with the fluffy teddy bear mattresses that are very comfortable, and each bunk has its own light, window, and wall outlet. The top bunk has a wall outlet out here that you can utilize from the dining room or for the bunk bed, and the bottom bunk has a wall outlet right out here on the outside. So if you have kids and they need a place to plug in their phones or tablets, we've got you covered. The exterior of our Sportsman is loaded with great features. We've equipped it with a power awning with LED lights, not just your standard pull-out awning like our competition. We've also featured 4 stabilizing jacks. A lot of these campers only come with 2 when they're the smaller minivan towable, but you're gonna want that extra stabilization when you're at the campground walking around inside. So we've given you 4 jacks. We've got solar prep, great pass-through storage that we can access from the inside. We also have the upgraded fold-out aluminum steps, not the older style pull-out steel steps. And we've got exterior speakers and the large grab handle. So really loaded with nice features that you can use on the campground. And when you buy your camper from us here at Veurink's, it's gonna come with a brand new battery in a box and full propane at no extra charge. Again, my name is Sean Pollard with Veurink's RV Center. If you have a question about this or any of our other trailers, please give me a call or shoot me a text at 616-965-9603, especially if you're interested in purchasing it. I would love to work with you on your new RV purchase. Again, my name is Sean. Thank you very much.